The 360 camera market may be about to get a lot more interesting. Real leaked images of the Insta360 X6 have surfaced online, and they give us our clearest look yet at what could be Insta360's next flagship 360 camera. According to reports from WinFuture, the leaked images appear to be genuine product images pulled from retail materials. If that's true, then we're not just looking at vague rumors anymore. We're looking at what could be the actual production design of the Insta360 X6. And honestly, the biggest surprise here isn't just the rumored 8K 50 FPS recording mode. It's the completely redesigned compact body, which looks noticeably shorter and more streamlined than the Insta360 X5. Let's get into what has leaked, what it could mean for creators, and whether this is shaping up to be a meaningful upgrade over the X5. The leaked images show a camera that still clearly belongs to the Insta360 X series, but with a noticeably different body shape. The Insta360 X6 appears to have a shorter, more compact form factor, bringing it closer in size and shape to the DJI Osmo 360. That is significant because one of the biggest trends in 360 cameras right now is portability. Creators want a camera that can easily mount on a helmet, selfie stick, motorcycle, or backpack without feeling bulky. The Insta360 X5 was already compact, but the leaked X6 design suggests Insta360 may be pushing even harder toward a lighter and more travel-friendly build. From the images, we can also see a large touchscreen on the front, a cleaner control layout with fewer physical buttons, textured grip areas, and the standard Insta360 mounting hardware that should keep it compatible with many existing accessories. Overall, the design makes the X6 look much more refined while still keeping the recognizable Insta360 identity. One of the biggest details visible in the leaked images is the recording mode displayed on the screen, 8K.50. If this leak is accurate, it suggests the Insta360 X6 could support 8K 50 FPS 360 video recording. That would be a major step up from the Insta360 X5, which currently offers 8K at 30 FPS. A jump to 50 FPS would make motion look much smoother, especially for motorcycle vlogging, action sports, travel videos, and creators who want more flexibility for slow motion editing. It's important to remember that this is still leaked information, not an official Insta360 announcement. But if 8K 50 FPS is confirmed, it would position the X6 as one of the most advanced consumer 360 cameras on the market. The big comparison here is between the rumored Insta360 X6 and the current Insta360 X5. The X5 already offers 8K 30 FPS recording, 5.7K 60 FPS single lens mode, and 72 megapixel still photos, so it is already a very capable 360 camera. But the leaks suggest the X6 could push those specs further. Reports point to 8K 50 FPS recording, potentially 5.7K 120 FPS in single lens mode, and possibly 100 megapixel or higher still photos. There are also rumors of larger or improved sensors, 10-bit color recording, and better low light performance. If even half of those rumored upgrades are accurate, the X6 would be a meaningful step forward for creators who shoot fast-moving 360 content. The X5 would still be a strong camera, but the X6 could offer smoother footage, more editing flexibility, and a more future-proof feature set. The smaller body might actually be one of the most important upgrades. A compact 360 camera is easier to carry, easier to mount, and less noticeable when filming in public. For motorcycle riders, a shorter camera means less wind resistance when mounted on a helmet or bike. For travel creators, it means less bulk in a backpack. The leaked design also appears to simplify the control layout. Fewer physical buttons and a larger touchscreen suggest that Insta360 may be relying more heavily on touchscreen controls and its companion app. That could make the camera easier to operate, especially for beginners. The compact shape of the Insta360 X6 suggests Insta360 is directly responding to that competition. While DJI may compete on hardware design and ecosystem integration, Insta360 still has strong advantages in reframing software, AI editing tools, flow state stabilization, and its well-established creator ecosystem. If the X6 combines that software advantage with better hardware, higher frame rates, and a more compact body, it could remain a very strong option even as competition increases. The X6 has reportedly cleared FCC certification on July 3, 2026, which is an important clue. Previous Insta360 X series cameras have generally been announced within a few weeks of receiving FCC approval. Based on that pattern, many observers expect the Insta360 X6 to be announced in late August or early to mid-September 2026. Leaked pricing from Win Future suggests the base model could start around €689, which may translate to roughly $749 to $799 USD. An Essentials bundle has also been mentioned at around €789, which would likely be priced higher in the US market. That would make the X6 more expensive than the X5, but potentially justified if the rumored hardware improvements are real. If you need a 360 camera right now for a trip, client work, or content production, the Insta360 X5 is still an excellent choice. It already offers 8K 30 FPS recording, strong stabilization, and a mature accessory ecosystem. However, if you can wait a few weeks and want the latest technology, the Insta360 X6 may be worth waiting for, especially if you shoot a lot of fast action content, need better low light performance, want a more compact body, or plan to keep the camera for several years and want the most future-proof option. From what we can see so far, the Insta360 X6 is shaping up to be more than just a minor refresh. The leaked images point to a major compact redesign, while the rumored 8K 50 FPS recording suggests a meaningful performance upgrade for creators who shoot action-heavy 360 footage. That said, it's still important to treat all of this as leaked and rumored information until Insta360 makes an official announcement. Final specs, pricing, and features could still change. We'll be watching closely for the official launch, and when the full specs and sample footage drop, we'll be able to see whether the Insta360 X6 truly delivers on the hype.